as a duck when you're stuck, sat sitting in the middle of your nest, and at best you get bored. There goes Drake on the lake, I can see him through the rushes all the time, feeling I'm just ignored. I don't pretend that this is all his doing. I'm a sucker for the billing and the cooing. But when you hear that pitter-patter of tiny feet, it doesn't matter how long I've had to sit here minding my brood. Those little heads so soft and downy, their baby bods all golden browny, their beaks constantly open waiting for food. It's the joy of motherhood, those little ducklings walking round in a line. I'll do what any other mother would, to try to do my best at bringing up mine. It's the joy of motherhood, those little perks that make it all seem worthwhile. I'll do what any other mother would, to get my ducks decked out and living in style.
Morning, Ida.
Morning, Maureen.
How's the mother-to-be?
Well, she'd be better if the father who was better being the father who is. I swear, sometimes I gotta be better off pairing with a decoy.
Well, I'm sure he'll be a marvelous father when the family arrives.
Not him. Duck by name, duck by nature, ducking out of all of his responsibilities. Oh, I'd say if butts were meant to be sitting on eggs all day, they wouldn't have been designed with big old dimples in them.
Oh, Ida, the very thought. How much longer do you have to go?
Well, by my reckoning, they should be out by now. I went to all my prenatal hatching classes run by that self-satisfied stork, and she said about half a month, but 2 weeks is up.
Well, the best things come to those who wait.
I don't know. Why do we put ourselves through it? Every spring it's exactly the same.
Well, just think of all the rewards, all those lovely little ducklings.
All those beaks to feed.
Waking you up at all hours.
Getting into deep water.
Attracting unwanted admirers.
Like the cat? Why do we put ourselves through it?
'Cause when you hear that dibble-dabble, you're proud to say, hey, that's my rabble. Then watch their maiden voyage out from the bank.
Like champagne corks, you'll see them bobbing,
accompanied by mother sobbing.
Relieved, thanks be to nature, nobody's sad.